Hi there, in this video we are going to learn how to add and subtract in algebra. We will learn everything about these two different operations in algebra. So basically you can see these two terms like x plus 2x. So here how to add these two different terms. First of all, whenever we have to add, we literally have to focus on these bases. Okay, so this variable we call it base. If the base is really equal and it is same and it is really like, so these two will be called like terms, and later on we will literally add them. If this base is not equal, if this base is not same, we will not add it. So here you can see this is 2x and this is x, so you can say it has 2x, and here there's nothing, so we can say it has 1x as a coefficient and 1 power. So any variable which is literally empty, it always has 1 as a coefficient and 1 as a power. So this is something that you should remember. Okay, so here when we have to add two variables in algebra, we have to add their coefficient. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2, so we have to add them. 1 and 2 will be equal to 3. So here this is called addition in algebra. So this is 1 plus 2 3, and we will simply write the variable. So this is called a addition sum in algebra. And later you can write in other problem like x square plus x plus 2x. So here how to add this? So simply we have to see bases, like this is x and this is x and this is x square. So first of all we will see the same terms. Here this is x and this is x, so these two are same, so we will operate them and we will work on them. This is actually x square and this is little different from these two terms, so we have to work on these two. Okay, so x and x, so this is actually empty x, so it has 1 as a coefficient and 1 as a power. So for addition we literally add their coefficients. Okay, so we will write this same as it is written, x square and plus, and later on here this has 1 and plus 2, so this will be equal to 3 and variable will be variable. Okay, so this is equal to x square 3x. So this is actually final result, because this is not like this, so we will not solve this further, and this will be its final result. And later we are going to solve in other, like 2x plus y. So here you can see this is another term, another expression in algebra, but this is y and this is x. We only and only have to focus on algebraic bases, like this is x and this is y. These are totally different, so we do not have to solve them further, because this is different and this is also different, so we will not solve them further. So now if the base is not equal to base, we will not solve it, and that will be the final result for that sum, and this will not be added for further any other result. Now we will learn subtraction, like 3x minus 2x. So this is another problem in subtraction. So same as we focus on bases in addition, and now for subtraction we do same, like this is x and this is x. These are two same bases, and now we can actually subtract them because these two bases are same. Like here you can see this is 3x and this is 2x minus 2x. The term which has a negative operation, that will be subtracted, and this has a positive, so we will actually subtract this term from this term. So subtracting from 3 to 2 will, after subtracting 2 from 3 will be equal to 1x. Okay, so when there is a 1x, we only write x because the 1 here is always understood, so we do not write this 1. So this will be the final result for this problem. So as you can see in other problem, in other sum for algebraic subtraction, here 4x minus y minus 2x. So here you can see that here this is 4x minus y and minus 2x. So you simply have to focus on bases. This is x and this is x. So simply you have to solve them and you will literally keep this y same, because this is not like these x's. X are actually x's, so you simply have to focus on this x. So x, this is a negative minus 2x and this is positive 4x. So simply we will subtract minus 2x from 4x. So what will be the result? Minus 2x will be deducted from 4x, and it will be equal to 2x. Okay, so this y, there's not any y, so we will keep this y same. So this is the final result of this sum. So this is how we do basic addition and subtraction in algebra. So I hope you understand it, and if you did not understand anything, so you can comment down below to let me know what to cover in the next video for you. So I will actually create video on that topic very deeply. Okay, so I hope you got it.